Before we dive right into the world of smart investments, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop a comment for more insightful content on investing. Today, we're taking a closer look at the potential of local investments, specifically in your area's power company. These investments not only offer a steady passive income stream, but also foster community development. So, are you ready to power up your investment portfolio? Stick around as we delve into a successful case study of an investment in a local power company. Investing locally can yield significant returns, as our case study illustrates. Let's take a look at John Doe, a savvy investor with a keen eye for potential. John discovered a local power company that was overlooked by many. It was a small operation facing some hurdles, but he saw something others didn't. The company was grappling with aging infrastructure and a shrinking customer base. But John recognized the value of power companies in our energy-dependent world. He saw potential in the company's core mission, to provide reliable, sustainable energy for the community. John understood that investing in this power company wasn't just about potential financial returns. He saw it as an opportunity to contribute to his community, to be part of something bigger. He knew that a thriving power company could stimulate local economic growth, attracting more investors, and fostering a prosperous community. The investor's decision to invest in the local power company was a calculated move. Let's delve into how it paid off. The investor saw potential in the local power company, and the results didn't disappoint. It was a classic case of spotting an opportunity and seizing it with both hands. The investment in the local power company turned out to be an astute decision that yielded significant returns. Let's dive deeper into the details of this intriguing journey. The investor, who we'll refer to as Alex for the sake of this discussion, had a keen eye for businesses that were intrinsically linked with the community. Recognizing the local power company as a pillar of the community, Alex made a calculated decision to invest. The local power company was a business that was always in demand, ensuring a steady stream of passive income for Alex. It was the perfect blend of business acumen and community service. But the benefits of this investment didn't stop at the financial rewards. The investment had a ripple effect, positively impacting the local community in ways that Alex hadn't initially anticipated. The power company, bolstered by the investment, was able to upgrade its infrastructure, leading to improved services. This, in turn, attracted more businesses to the area, creating a cycle of prosperity that benefited everyone. The story doesn't end there. Alex's investment played a crucial role in the company's growth and success. The capital infusion allowed the company to expand its operations, employ more people from the community, and contribute to the local economy. The company's success story was no longer just its own, it became the success story of the entire community. This case study is a testament to the potential benefits of investing in a local power company. It illustrates how such an investment can generate a steady stream of income and contribute to the community's growth and prosperity. It's a win-win situation that combines financial success with social responsibility. The investor's success story demonstrates the potential benefits of investing in a local power company. It's a shining example of how smart investing can lead to personal wealth, while also creating a stronger, more vibrant community. Investing in local power companies can be a smart move, as our case study clearly demonstrates. Let's take a moment to retrace our steps. We've seen the potential of local power companies as a source of passive income. By investing in these companies, you're essentially buying into a system that provides an essential service, and your returns are generated from the bills paid by customers. This kind of investment can provide a steady stream of income, even during economic downturns. But there's more to it than just the financial benefits. Investing locally means you're contributing to the growth and development of your own community. This doesn't just boost your local economy, it also creates jobs, improves infrastructure, and leads to more investment opportunities. Imagine this: your investment helps a local power company expand its operations. This leads to new job openings, more local spending, and a stronger economy. The improved infrastructure attracts other businesses and investors, creating a positive cycle of growth and investment. So, if you're looking for a smart investment, consider your local power companies. They offer a unique combination of steady passive income and the chance to make a real difference in your community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more smart investing content, and remember, your next great investment could be right in your backyard.